I'm super excited to be bringing you this tutorial today because I've managed to find some fish codes, guys. These are by far the best currently working fish codes in 2025. You're going to be able to unlock all rods, so you can get every single rod for free. You can unlock all emotes, and you can also get 10 million in free money. So these are brand new working fish codes, by far the best that I found, and I spent ages searching Google and YouTube trying tons of different codes, and I thought I'd create this video because these are by far the best that I found. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. You need to use your mobile phone and just have an internet connection. My battery's so low, but hopefully I can get through this tutorial still. And you need to open up the internet and go to this website, guys, Cold Coupons. So type it like this into your internet browser: www.coldcoupons.com. So spell it like that, guys, to go to Cold Coupons. And this is an awesome website with tons of different coupon codes and codes on here for games. There is a search bar where it says search here at the top, and I'm just going to type in fish, and you can see there's 3 coupons available. These are highly rated, guys. Tons of people are using them, so this is a really popular method to get your codes. And you can see there's a few different options. You can unlock all rods in fish, you can unlock all emotes, and you can get 10 million free money. So you just need to select which fish code you want. I'm going to go ahead and choose this hot coupon here that's unlocking every single rod in fish. So click get code, and you can see this confirms your choice. And you need to basically click on this show full code button, and this looks for a fish code that is valid and working. So just wait for this to load up. And you're going to see this page, guys, where it says coupon code is ready. Your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So if this is your first time visiting Cold Coupons, you will need to complete a quick verification to unlock your fish code. To do that, guys, all you need to do is click on get full code, and you're going to see this code unlocker from Cold Coupons. So just follow the instructions here, guys. It says complete 2 tasks below to get your code from Cold Coupons, and follow the instructions. So you're going to have a list of 3 tasks. All you need to do, guys, is basically complete 2 of them. And you can see there is a description telling you what you need to do below each one. These can be things like mobile games or free surveys. As an example, guys, I'll just quickly click on this. This is a free survey where it says, if we read the description, it says answer the questions and fill in your valid details. So essentially, guys, you just answer questions and input a valid email address, and that one would be complete. So all you need to do is complete 2 of the 3 tasks on this page, and then it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons. And if you do everything correctly, your fish code will be unlocked, and this will unlock all rods once you redeem it in game. So that is it, guys. It is really easy. You just got to go to Cold Coupons and search for the fish codes page. These are by far the best working codes that I managed to find. If you know of any others, drop them down in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope you enjoy, guys. Let me know also which code you choose. I like the all rods code, but yeah, you can go ahead and get whatever you want. So enjoy, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, guys. Peace.